Hello everyone! Good day to all of you there watching on my YouTube channel. This is your Inday Gracia. Salamat nga po pala sa mga lahat ng nanonood about the K1 requirements, about my experience of question and answers on my US Embassy interview. And actually guys, I will make another video how to also correct your birth certificate, PSA birth certificate, since ang daming nagtatanong sa akin via private message on my TikTok, on my FB page, on Inday Gracia, how to correct their clerical error in their birth certificate. Anyway, I'm Divine Grace. I was working before in PSA CRS outlet, and I am here now in Florida, Jacksonville, USA. Jacksonville, Florida, USA. So my pathway to be here in US is via K1 visa or fiancé visa. My husband petitioned me to come over here. So okay guys, ikikwento ko na sa inyo kung paano ang magkuha via online or walk-in ng PSA birth certificate. So here's one question that I read on my comments on TikTok and FB Messenger or YouTube comments. Paano nga ba daw sila kukuha ng PSA birth certificate, PSA marriage certificate, SANUMAR, or PSA death certificate kung wala po silang ID, okay? Wala silang ID, valid ID. So, ganito po yan. Si CRS, PSA Civil Registry Office po is, kung meron kayong PhilID, tapos yung kukunin nyo ng mga documents is your immediate family, pwede po siyang mag-walk-in lang, okay? Gamit yung PhilID ninyo. So, pupunta lang kayo dun sa likod or sa my guard section area, mag-fill up kayo ng form. Sasabihin nyo sa guard na meron kayong PhilID and you want to get a PSA birth certificate, your birth certificate, or your immediate family. So, ano po ba yung immediate family na covered ng pagkuha nyo, which is walk-in? Okay? So, like for example, kukuha kayo ng birth certificate. Okay, so, tapos hindi kayo nag-online kasi meron kayong PhilID. So, pwede po siya walk-in lang. Pero yung covered po nun is yung parents nyo lang, yung pwede nyong kukunan yan, yung anak nyo, yung spouse nyo. Okay? Hindi na po counted ng immediate family yung siblings ninyo or yung lola, lolo, uncle, auntie. So, immediate family is yung parents nyo lang, yung mama, papa, yung biological parents, okay? Hindi yung in-laws. Yung sarili nyo, yung spouse nyo, dapat kasal kayo, at saka yung mga anak nyo. Yun po yun. Ibibigay nyo lang or papakita nyo lang sa guard na meron kayong PhilID para maka-walk-in kayo na gusto nyong kumuha ng inyong PSA birth certificate, marriage, death certificate, SANUMAR, or advisory of marriage. So, ngayon naman po, kung wala po kayong PhilID, kasi nga, yung iba di pa dumadating, pwede pa rin kayong kumuha. Pero, si PSA CRS is need niya ng ID, which is the valid ID for verifying your identity. So, need po kayo ng ID, pero wala. So, kailangan yung kumuha ng certificate of clearance or barangay certificate. Oo, barangay certificate or barangay clearance. Yun yung tawag doon, right? So, yun si barangay certificate or barangay clearance po. Pag kukuha na kayo sa barangay, need po siya ng ID nyo sa gilid. May ID nyo doon dapat. Tapos may perma nyo at pangalan sa baba. So, yun na po, serve na po siya as identification or valid ID para kukuha kayo ng PSA. Hindi lang po yan. Pag ganyan yung ID na i-present nyo, or like you have only NBI which is valid, or any other valid ID, need nyo po siya ng online appointment. Kasi po, si PSA CRS outlet is nagpo-provide lang po siya ng walk-in if you have a PhilID or the national ID. Okay? Pero kung wala kayong PhilID but you have other valid ID, like the barangay certificate, the MBI, the license, PRC, the driver license, yun po yung kailangan yung appointment schedule or appointment online. So I will put in the comments section what are the IDs needed or the website that you need to fill out for the appointment online. Okay po? Sana po nakatulong ako sa mga kukuha ng birth certificate, PSA, marriage, Sanumar advisory. Kasi ang daming naku-confuse. Kasi daw, paano nga sila kukuha nga ng ID ay ng birth certificate, PSA nila, wala silang ID. So wala pong problema yun. Kumuha lang po kayo ng barangay clearance kung wala talaga kayong ID. Pwede rin po yung voter's ID, okay? But, yun nga, kung hindi siya PhilID, any valid ID, need din siya ng other attachment, which is the online appointment. Okay po. So, para sa mga kukuha po nun, dapat po document owner. Kasi po, iba rin po yung usapan pag hindi nyo na immediate family yung kukunan ninyo. Kasi PSA or CRS Outlets is also protecting the data privacy. So, that's all for today on my channel, YouTube channel, and I hope I help you guys for those who wants to get their birth certificate and marriage. And anyway, on my next video, I will ask the questions about, kasi yung iba daw, nakakuha sila ng certificate of no marriage, like negative certificate or the PSA birth certificate, pero na-confuse sila kasi daw negative certificate yung nakuha nila. So, I will explain that on my YouTube channel on my next video. And I hope you guys will subscribe, like, and share. Thank you and have a good day. God bless.